Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to prepare an authentic and traditional dish which is Chakka variety. In English, we could say it as Jackfruit Jam. Chakka variety is quite famous in Nagarkoil. When we have more jackfruits, my amma used to make this. This recipe is shared by my amma, and without further delay, let's get started. We have taken 2.5 kilograms of jackfruits. Chop it finely using a chopper. This chopper is our job, so if you don't have chopper means you can chop it finely using a knife. But that would be a time consuming process. The jackfruits are chopped perfectly. Use good quality jackfruit to prepare this dish. During my childhood days, my amma used to chop it finely with a knife. Now this job is done easily. Take big size vessel or urali and add in 1 tablespoon of ghee. Add in 50 grams of cashew nuts. Once the cashew nuts turns golden brown color, add in 2 tablespoons of raisins. Cashew nuts and the raisins are fried, so keep it aside. Now add in the chopped jackfruit. Saute the jackfruits in the ghee for 5 minutes. After sauteing it for 5 minutes, add in the jaggery powder. We have taken 1 kilogram of jaggery powder. We are adding it directly since it's good quality jaggery. Or else you have to melt the jaggery in water and strain it to remove the dirt before adding. You can increase or decrease the jaggery powder quantity, depends on the sweetness of the jackfruit. Jaggery has melted and it has become little loose consistency. You have to cook it nicely so that all the moisture content goes off. Stir it occasionally so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. If you do not have jaggery powder means you can add whole jaggery. In that case, you have to melt it in water before adding. Strain the jaggery water to remove if there is any dirt. Preparing Chakka variety is a time consuming process. You could see the Chakka variety has thickened and became dark color. It took nearly 45 minutes for us to get this consistency. This should be the text of the Chakka variety. Add in the fried cashew nuts and the raisin. Add in 1 teaspoon of dry ginger powder and 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. In goes 1 tablespoon of ghee. Mix everything nicely and switch off the flame. Chakka variety should be of this consistency because once it cools down, this will thicken. The aroma of jackfruit has filled in our kitchen. Cool the Chakka variety completely and store it in a container. Sterilize the storage container and dry it completely. There shouldn't be any traces of water in the container. We used to serve Chakka variety with dosa, chapati or bread. Do try this aromatic, delicious, traditional Chakka variety and share me the feedback. My amma used to make kolkate using this Chakka variety as filling. You can store it in refrigerator for 3 weeks. If freezer means you can store it more than 6 months. You can leave it in room temperature for 3 weeks. When jackfruit is in season, make this Chakka variety and preserve it. Subscribe my channel for more recipes. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.